Hey there, short tutorial about the worldpainter custom trees and stones and stuff. So, if you want to have custom objects like custom trees from, you probably already know them from the Pose 2, PO2s, or whatever you want to call them. They're like the default ones. Yeah, those. Those custom trees. You can find a lot of them. They're getting installed with the wallpainter. Yeah. And if you want to create one of them at your own, it's kind of simple. There is a website. I will link it in the description. It's called Cubical. It's like literally like Minecraft, just in a browser. And the best thing about it is that it lets you save the creations you built as different datas and as bow2s and schematics files. We're more interested in schematics files because the bow2s have a lot of problems usually when you try to save them like that. Schematics only have like a 50% chance of creating problems. I don't know. It's kind of random. Whatever. So if you build a new thing, let's just, I don't know, call it something. You create a new platform. You have this shit here. You can drag and drop stuff out with each. It's like the usual Minecraft settings. You can easily control it. Can make your custom tree. Left click destroy, right click set place down a block, and yeah. So to get a nice tree, we're just gonna remove this platform here real quick. Oh yeah, as a reminder, it makes sense to like destroy the platform around it and then go into the middle because you have like no space. You cannot like go to infinity. If you created it like 10 by 10, you cannot go out of it. So if you want to have a bigger tree or stone or whatever you're trying to create, you should create should make a bigger size. Yeah. Then yeah, you can build your tree. I don't know. Yeah. So okay, we have the tree here. It's kind of finished. Then let's save it as a schematic. You can download this now. So if you have a new world, quick. Layers, custom object layer, adding it, test. Okay, I already got an error message now. If you get this error message or another error message, then you need to do following step again. Go into the website again, open the file. Now, if you have it again, you're just gonna save it around once more. For some reason, that usually uh, helps it. Yeah, as you can see, we already see the preview. Usually, if you see the preview, it works, but I cannot guarantee there is a preview because in like the last version of wordpainter, the previews didn't work for some reason, and I don't know if the next versions or so the previews will still work. Yeah, it depends on the program, whatever. So if you see preview and it works, then it's fine. So you get no error message. So you can literally roll with this fucking tree. Probably decrease the amount of trees so that you don't have like infinity. Uh, as you probably already know, you can add multiple types of stuff. So you can add rocks and stuff. That's what I'm trying to do. So if you've done this, you can press OK, spray everything onto your world, export it. I'm gonna leave it everything like it is. So export it, we're gonna Minecraft. Yeah, here we are. A world full of trees. My tree that I just created. Ugly as fuck, I know. I mean, you can add in everything from rocks and stuff. Yeah, here. So if you try to do stones, such things might happen. So better only place them on like flat surfaces or look that the rocks are small enough. If they're smaller, they might only overlap like a little bit instead of this enormous amount in this case. Yeah, works pretty fine. I hope I could help you further because yeah. I made this tutorial because I saw there's like no video on YouTube about it, and in the internet you cannot really find anything about creating custom trees, objects, whatever you trying to add into your world. Um, Stuff like this you can easily fix by in World Painter if you select place only on terrain grass block, so that the trees only get summoned on grass blocks. Because yeah, nah, I didn't select that, so I painted over this, and then the game thinks it can place trees onto gravel and any stuff. But if you only choose grass, it will only place it on grass. Uh, Also, this happens because there should have been a little lake here, but because of the water level is only on level 62, I guess. It's not on the right level, so there's no water in there. Can be removed to wordpainter 2 if you just paint the world with terrain grass blocks. If you just paint everything with grass blocks, so you don't have like these little patches of sand, gravel, and stuff. Yeah. I hope I could have helped you further with your creation of your world, hopefully. If you like it, I don't know, give me a like or whatever. I don't give a shit. You can subscribe if you want. Sometimes I make tutorials, sometimes I upload gaming shit. We'll see, you'll see, whatever. See you around soon. Bye.